Timberline has been one of our partners for over 4 years now. Marius, thank you for having me here today.
No, thanks for being here.
Marius, could you please tell us a little bit about Timberline? What is it you produce and what are the goals of the business?
We've been going now for 12 years. We're a family-owned company. We belong to the Scott Group. It's always been about growing business locally in Armidale. We aim to be the best and biggest vanity manufacturer in the country. We aim to make things easy for customers. Very holistic approach to cabinet making is what's going on here.
In the 4 years that I've worked with yourself, we've seen Timberline have enormous growth. How have we assisted you in managing that growth?
The reason we partnered with you guys was to put it into one thing, you make it easy. New product comes along, you let us know straight away. You send us samples to test. You help us look for improvements. You're a phone call away. You guys are very responsive, always on the other side of the line. You're the first port of call when they want to know anything about the feed and speed rate, which tool is best for the material, which takes a lot of headache out of day-to-day manufacturing.
One of your main goals is about improving efficiencies in the factories, and I just wanted to know what's your process and how you improve efficiencies.
The amount of production that we actually got out of the space we had doubled, and that was by optimizing speed and feed rates, pushing the boundaries, getting a better tool, getting a faster tool, in some cases changing the material. That has literally enabled us to grow while we were still actually in the same space. Reducing waste for us is very important. It's from the waste material to reducing wasted time to having tools that last longer. Your blue range has made a massive difference to the amount of tools. The longevity of the tool itself is a major gain for us. If you consider every time you have to change a tool, it's downtime. Every tool you have to buy, I mean, they're not cheap. So you've been very helpful in making that happen. Probably 95% of the tooling in our machines are supplied by yourselves, simply because by test, they have been the best.
It's been a real pleasure working with you, Marius, over the last 4 years. Every time I speak with yourself or speak with Richard downstairs, you're trialling something new. It's always about collecting good data as well so we can make an informed decision for where to go next. So thank you for your time today and thank you for your feedback.
No, thank you.